Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video and I have got a food subscription unboxing and it's very light this month and it's Degustabox. Normally it's really heavy, but no, it is super light. So I've just opened it up. I haven't had a look inside yet, so I'm going to be doing it with you. But if you're new to Degustabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to flick forward to seeing the actual contents inside this box, then I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to do that. So Degustabox is a monthly food subscription box. So it costs £12.99 a month and that includes shipping. There are Degustaboxes dotted around the world, what I'm led to believe, but this one is solely for UK. So inside each box you get 10 to 15 products and they can be anything. They're generally snack type foods and foods that you can make to make main meals. We have had the odd fresh produce, which obviously only have a short shelf life, but they say in the information then, you know, to put it in the freezer if you're not going to eat it in the next day or two, but that's quite rare. I think last month was the first time that I was aware of that we had any fresh produce, but it's usually things like pastas, soups, rices, like sachets of sauces, tins, alcohol, juices, lots of snacks like healthy eating snacks and gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free sort of nutty bars, energy bars. Yeah, we've had some chocolate. Oh, we've had loads. We've had loads, but each month comes with a theme and I'm not sure what the theme is yet, but there is a card inside and it details everything about this box. It tells you everything about the products and the price and the theme, so we can get an idea of what all the products are. It's a great box to try brand new items. They have a lot of products that are not even released in shops yet, so we get to try it before they're released into the public, which is quite good. But yeah, some months are better than others. We have had items that I haven't been keen on, but I do try them, and yeah, the rest of the family do try them as well. So I think that's it. Any information I've left out I will link down below. If you're interested in the subscription for yourself, there is a code that you can use. You can have your first box for £5 off, plus you get a free freebie item as well, a food freebie item. So I'll link that down below. It is affiliated. Degustabox have started sending these boxes out to me for free. So they gift these boxes. It's not sponsored, so my thoughts and opinions will always remain the same. The only difference is that I was receiving free boxes thanks to you lot using my refer a friend code, but that has now stopped, so Degustabox has kindly offered to send me the boxes for free anyway, so that I can keep on unboxing them on my channel to show you and obviously to benefit me and my family. So all the links related to the subscription and the discount link, it will be linked down below, so click on the show more, that will bring a description and everything will be down there. So let's open it up. Comes packaged really well. It comes by courier. They send you a text message to tell you when it's going to be delivered, say within like 1 to 2 o'clock, etc. So if you're not going to be in, you can change. So I like that. And that's a little leaflet. And what is our theme? Degustabox is spring and Easter theme. Okay, so I'll put that down to the side of me and I'll give you a quick look first. So the first item then, we've got Costa Coffee. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a Mocha Italia signature blend and it's ground for cafetiere and filter. Oh my gosh. I love Costa Coffee. I go to Costa quite often, but I'm on decaf, so I can't have this at the moment, but my husband is going to love it and I'm sure that he'll save it for when I can have it. It's a long story, I'm on this elimination diet, but no, so this is 200 grams and the recommended retail price for this is £3.70. At Costa Coffee, we know great coffee. The proof, we've been serving our legendary signature blend since '71. Try Costa's medium strength signature blend, roasted and ground coffee for cafetiere and filter. Available in all supermarkets. So that's the first item. Next, we've got a tub of something. What's this? Red super stews, hot. Black-eyed beans and tomato. Oh, okay. That's what that looks like there. So what's this? So it's like, can I see it? It's probably all sealed. Ooh, can you see in there? You can see all the black-eyed beans and things. So it's a stew. I've never seen anything like this before. So you should receive one of 2 flavours. There's this one, or red beans and sweet potato. And the recommended retail price for each of these is £2.99. And it said, inspired by Africa and remixed by London, our delicious stews are made with natural plant-based ingredients. Think okra, lentils, red beans and sweet potato, to name a few. So that's the second item. Next we got a bubble wrapped something. What is this? Oh, Jubel beer cut with peach. Wow. Ooh, and that's 4%. So not all of you will receive alcohol. You do get to fill in a short questionnaire when you sign up, and you get to say your preferences. So if you've opted for non-alcohol, then you will get an alternative. So obviously I take alcohol, so this is what I've got. So Jubel beer, cut with peach. Oh, that sounds gorgeous. So what's it say here? So the recommended retail price for this is £1.80. Inspired by a dangerously refreshing beer secret we discovered in the Alps, Alpine combines a lively lager with a zest of freshly ripe peaches, naturally infused, gluten-free and vegan, now available nationwide in Sainsbury's. So that's that item. Next we got a can of moose juice, and this is extreme energy. Oh my gosh. Passion fruit flavour, 0 sugar, aspartame free, and 250. So extreme energy. Not for the kids. Oh my gosh. No, but yeah, I'm not that keen on energy drinks, but my husband likes these sort of things, so he'll have this one. So the recommended retail price for this is £1.59. Moose Juice is your delicious 0 sugar, aspartame free energy drink with added BCAAs and B vitamins. When you need extra energy and focus without the crash, get a boost from the moose. And it's available in Holland and Barrett and selected Sainsbury's. Yeah, so that's that item. Next we've got a little jar of something. Balamory, an Irish family food company, original relish. Oh my gosh, this is 35 grams. There, that's what it looks like there. So a little thing, let me have a sniff. I love relish. Oh, it's like a pickly type of spread. Oh, I love it. Oh, so what's it say here? It says here, this is a gift. So this is a freebie item, okay. It just says, Balamory original relish is rich in tomatoes, delicious and incredibly versatile. It is excellent with beef burgers, French fries, cold meats, cheese, sausage rolls and salads. And then it goes on to saying that it's gluten-free and it's also suitable for vegetarians. So that's our free gift. Then there's 2 of these, I think. Yeah, there's 2 of these. They're called Chum fruit bites, and one is apple and one is strawberry. So that's what that looks like there. What size are these? These are 20 grams each. They're quite handy for packed lunches. So yeah, it's all like no added sugar, 1 of your 5 a day, no gluten, nothing artificial in them. 15% profits donated to wildaid.org to help save our chums. Oh, so these will cost you 79p each. 100% wild, no fake stuff, 100% fruit, vegan, high in fibre, kosher and gluten-free, nothing artificial, no preservatives, nor concentrates. All the goodness of real fruit slowly baked into our magical fruit bites, and then it says about giving 15% of profits to help save our chums. And yeah, we should have 2 flavours in the box. So that's those items. So we've got 2 Forest Feast items. What is this? Forest Feast. Fair Trade dried mango. So there we go, that's 30 gram pouch, 30 gram bag. And then this one is Forest Feast fruit balls, milk chocolate, mango and coconut. Oh my gosh, that sounds gorgeous. And that's 30 grams as well. Oh, that one sounds absolutely gorgeous. I'm not that keen on dried fruit myself, unless it's covered in chocolate, then yeah, I do then. But those 2 items are there. So what are these then? You should receive both products in your box, and the recommended retail price for these are £1.29 each. Our award-winning Forest Feast exotic Prida dried mango, sourced solely from the Prida Fair Trade organisation in the Philippines, and enjoy our soft bite-sized balls of exotic dried mango blended with tropical coconut and covered in creamy Belgian milk chocolate, a little bit of indulgent with less of the guilt. So those are those. We've got 2 bars here by Green and Black. One is Truffle Dark Centre. Wow. And this is Praline Milk Chocolate Centre. Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay. So what's it say here? So these will cost you 89p each. Discover a moment of indulgence with Green and Black's truffle and praline bars. Break through the smooth dark chocolate shell to reveal the delicious truffle and praline centres. The perfect way to treat yourself. Made with ethically sourced chocolate and no artificial flavours, colours or preservatives. And it says, yeah, you should receive 2 in your box. So those are those. 1 more chocolate. Willie's Cacao. How do you pronounce that? How do you say C-A-C-A-O? Cacao. Willie's Cocoa, I never know. Pure 100% gold, silky nutty notes. It's a big 40-gram bar of chocolate there. Can you see there? I think we've had these in like pink parcel, little chocolate bars in pink parcel. But what does it say here? So it comes in 4 different flavours and available in Sainsbury's, Waitrose, Ocado, Cafe Nero and WH Smith, and will cost you £1.99. And it says, to preserve these beautiful flavours, we use only natural ingredients and make everything ourselves from bean to bar. Pure flavours, pure pleasure, available in Sainsbury's, and I just said that. And it says, close your eyes, let the chocolate melt, and for a few minutes of pure pleasure, enjoy the long forgotten flavours of the world's great single estate cocoas. Sorry, my pronunciation is absolutely dreadful. Next, we've got a Weetabix on the go. This is a strawberry flavoured breakfast drink. Now, we had one of these, well, not this one. I don't think we've had this before, but we had like cartons of it. We had about a pack of 4 or 5 in a box, and none of my children liked it. So I know no one's going to drink this. I didn't try it because I was dairy free at the time, but so I don't know what it's like. But yeah, none of them liked it, unfortunately. It's a good idea. Good idea, pop in a bag if you're just in a rush or something like that. Not the best, obviously, you know, you need a proper breakfast in the morning, but yeah, I suppose, yeah, but my kids don't like it, unfortunately. So to buy this, it will cost you £1.49. Add a fruity twist to your smooth start with a refreshing bottle of Weetabix on the go strawberry. Our delicious breakfast drink squeezes loads of energy from iron, fibre and protein into a convenient grab and go bottle. Take hold of your morning and have a proper breakfast bottled. So that's that one. And lastly, we've got an energy bar, or not an energy bar, a sort of health bar. And this is dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt. That looks absolutely gorgeous, by the brand Kind. Oh, my husband is a cyclist, so he has loads of these. He has subscriptions. I'm sure he has subscriptions to like cereal bars and things like that. He gets them a lot delivered monthly. So these are 60% nuts, gluten-free, dairy-free, high fibre, no artificial colours, flavours of preservatives, ingredients you can see and pronounce. So I like that. So what's it say here? Available in all major supermarkets, and to purchase it will cost you £1.35. They're tasty, they're nutritious, then there's tasty and nutritious. Kind believe you deserve both. Our bars are just whole nuts bonded together with honey, so we don't skimp on good stuff. They are crafted with up to 72% nuts, plus they're all gluten-free and naturally high in protein. So those are all the items. Obviously I need extra hands to be able to show you them all, but they're all scattered around me because I'm in a tiny room. But looking at the cards then, just to like jog my memory, because I'm on this elimination diet, there's not a lot of things I can have, but if I wasn't on there, I think the exciting products for me would be the Costa Coffee, definitely, and the green and blacks, the chocolates. Yeah, looking at it as a whole though, there isn't any meal making products there. There is nothing. It seems to be quite sweet, more on the sweet side of things, except for this Relish and the super stews. But everything else is all sweetie related. Yes, there's some lovely stuff. We've got the, you know, the Willie's Cocoa Bar and the green and blacks, and you know, the Kind snack bars, the energy juice, and we've got the healthy snacks up here, which are the dried fruit and the chocolate balls. So it's not a bad box whatsoever. It's got really nice products there that are generally, you know, they're like no artificial colours, no preservatives, a lot of gluten-free and vegan and things. So it's a nice box in that respect, but it's just a little bit too sweet, I think, for me this month. But it'll be interesting to see what my kids think anyway. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think this is a lovely box this month? Do you get Degustabox? Are you happy with the content? And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. I've got a ton of subscription unboxing videos coming before the end of the month, so yeah, you'll probably see them posted up regularly. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.